Good morning, good morning! Ayan, just woke up guys. Time check, 10 AM. Ayan, magbe-breakfast pa lang kami. And we're fixing to go in Best Buy. Ayan, sa electronic store. So, itour ko po kayo doon. And of course, bibili po tayo ng laptop. So, ayan, kasi yung isang laptop namin is kailangan siya naka-charge every time. So, we need to have another one. And, ayan. See you there. Nandito kami na, pero kakain muna kami. So, andun po yung Best Buy. Here. So, ayan, kakain muna kami sa Ahok. So, ayan, dito kami sa Ahok. So, ayan, dito kami. Kami lang dalawa, guys. So, paminsan-minsan, so let's order first. So bago po kami pupunta sa Best Buy, so magpapas din. Ayan guys, tapos na kami kumain. So pupunta na kami sa Best Buy. Thank you. You too.
Good morning.
Iniwala ako kasi magsisigarilyo siya. And of course, galing ako sa toilet. So ayan, ito po ang ating pinuntahan. So ayan, actually yung Best Buy is nandun lang siya, pero ayaw niya siya maglakad, magdadrive papunta doon. Ayun yung Best Buy, ayan siya, sakna. So ayan, see you there guys sa loob ng electronic. Ayan, actually yung camera ko dito ko rin siya binili.
My wife.
So, ayan, dito na kami guys. So, wala masyadong tao. Good morning.
Sorry.
So, ayan, hanap tayo. Hanap ko na saan yung computer. Laptop. Ayan guys.
Here. Oh, there's all of them.
Yeah, here.
They're all over.
Yeah, makikita nyo kung how much the... Oh my god. See? How much is it? Ayun guys, ito po yung mga price niya. Ayan, $800. Just ganyan lang siya kaliit. And then, of course, $829. Ayan po siya. This here. And of course, here, ayan, $1,000. Ganito lang din siya kaliit. Ayan, $1,000. Itong maliit na maliit, ito yung $549. Napakaliit niya po. Parang tablet lang siya. Ayan, $799. And of course, ito $400. Pero napakaliit niya. Parang pwede siyang lagay sa pocket. So, in this one here, so almost 800. Medyo malaki ng konti. Ayan, of course, 1,000. Ito yung normal size. Nasa 1,000 po siya, $1,000. And of course, medyo malaki ng konti. Ayan, 1,700. Wow. Sa peso niyan is, magkano pa sa peso na yun? So anyway guys, this is 1,700. So equivalent of 90,000 peso in Philippines. Oh my God. So ayan lang po siya. Ayan po. So yung 1,000, this like 53,000 in Philippines. So, mahal pa din. Ito po is almost 800. So, medyo maliit po siya. Anyway, and ayan, maliit na maliit. This is Lenovo. 1.5. Maliit din siya, maliit. Oh my god, this one here, 1.8. But guess what? Maliit din siya. So, hanap tayo ng mga mura-mura ng konti. Ay, this one here, 500. But this is small.
You got a choice.
So, what you gonna get? This is HP. This one is HP. The other, in the other side is
Here's
Lenovo.
HP.
Where's the ASOS? What's that? ASOS?
Nope. This is HP.
HP yung medyo mura lang guys. Ayan. 500, actually $500.
This one
This one is HP to but I don't know, ASOS. This is ASOS. Almost 800. ASOS actually is more expensive than HP. So anyway, okay, may 200. Actually may 250 here. ASOS to ASOS. Ito maliliit na to. Maliliit siya, but it's not expensive than the other computer. So yun dito yung mas mura-mura. Yes, baby. Ayan, so
The rest of them have like
8 gig. So this one.
The rest of them have like.
So ito yung parang bet niya. This one here, HP.
This one has 256.
To
That one has 512. That's double. This is double.
this is double.
Yeah.
And then the gigabyte is same. So actually this is ang kanyang bet is HP. Kasi yung ASOS nasa 780. So ayan. 700 here. Inaano niya rin yung gig, of course. Double kasi yun dun sa kabila eh, which is almost same. Ayun. So actually may mura naman guys, may mura. So ayan 209, 219. Pero maliit ito guys ha, maliit yan. HP yan. ASOS 250. Pero syempre 4 GB lang siya. Maliit yung ano niyan. So that's my almost 500 din. Napakaliit, maliit. 4 GB. So anyway, ito yung gusto niya. Nasa $500 siya. Ito yung pinakamura na mataas yung gig niya.
This is touchscreen.
O touchscreen na din to. Oh really? Oh yeah, may touchscreen. So ayan guys, touchscreen computer. Ayan guys, anyway, sad to say is sold out na pala to. Look. Ayan. Sold out in store and online. So ito meron siya kasi hindi siya touchscreen. Mas gusto ko yung touchscreen sa akin. Pero palas lang to ang presyo nito. Pero wala rin sila sa store. So they going to send it in the house. It's coming Friday but I don't know. It's still in the thinking.
This is touchscreen too, but it's sold out in store.
And then the texture is different than actually this one.
Yeah.
It's HP, right? Hindi ba? Oh, picture tayo. Oh, ha? Diba? Nasa computer tayo. O, diba nag-picture tayo? 1,000 guys. $1,000. So, ayan guys, dahil hindi po kami nakabili ng computer dun sa Best Buy. So, pupunta kami ng Office Depot. So, ayan, let's see if we can find the laptop that we need.
Your destination is on.
Kasi yung dun sa, sa Best Buy, sold out na. So, ayan, let's find another. Ayan. Saan makakuha kami? Maliit lang siya. But I hope meron dito. Konti lang yung mga ano nila dito. Display. Lenovo. It's not touchscreen. HP. This one is touchscreen.
That was
709. See that? Yes, this is HP. 700. 500. 500. this one. This is cheaper but it's small. Siyempre mas maliit ang ano nito, na touchscreen.
This is 584.
So this one, na touchscreen. Ano siya says? Is this the touch?
No.
So ito naman, HP 644. Baka mamaya, wala na naman silang ano, wala silang available sa store. So yun yung problema, sold out din sa kabila.
Yeah, touchscreen. Touchscreen.
I wouldn't say that, but you know, at least worth it.
Oh, we're just looking at it. But mainly she just like YouTube.
Just pretty much YouTube?
She's a live streamer. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Or karaoke.
Okay. If that's the case, you definitely don't necessarily want the cheapest option because you're going to be streaming. Because you don't want it to be kind of laggy. Or...
So ayan guys, ito po yung napagdesisyonan namin. Ayan, nasa I think 700 na rin. And then plus the bundle of the, you know, software and everything. So maybe it's 800 something. So ayan, actually wala silang display pero meron sila sa store. So actually 16 gigabyte, 256 storage and memory 16. And this is i7. So actually this is on the top. Ito po yung bundle nila. Qualifying computer with service. Ayan. That's for 1 year. So kaya abutin siya ng 800 something. So ayan. So kinukuha yung computer. So ayan. At least meron sila dito sa store.
That's HD also.
Oh.
It'll look almost identical to every one of them that you're ever going to
So
see.
ayan siya guys.
Those things, if they broke that easy, I would not be buying them. Because I need some way to help me with storage on my counters. Those are stackable. It's literally the same as every other HP. They do not really change their appearance as much.
We other one had red.
Yeah.
So HP pa rin siya
You
guys.
can find other colors, but you're not going to get them.
That is more thin than
Yeah.
us.
This is a little bit thinner.
Thinner.
Not than the other one.
But this is more expensive than real.
Yeah.
Ayun. So that's... Can we, ano na? Look.
Go in for the other stuff. And to be honest, if y'all aren't even going to be using Microsoft Office, what I can do is just bring it.
A narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more access.
It talks to you.
It can. Cortana, I think is what they call it. I usually ignore it.
This is window what? Window?
Windows 11.
Oh, okay, okay. Window 11.
I mean, I know we spoke about just getting.
So, ayan. Kukunin na lang namin next day. The next day kasi may ini-install pa. Ayan, so we need to pay now. Of course. So, ayan. Ating camera. Para may live stream ulit. So, ayan. Of course, nagbabayad na tayo.
That's what I'd go tell them. Hey, pop one on there good. You know.
I got to get pricing down for you and get it all right. No, we'll probably still say that. Yes, ma'am. Take off some of the stuff. However you want your receipt right there.
Ayun, may discount siya guys.
Okay, there we go. $100 worth off red little $10 protection plan. That does also get discounted too. That's up to you.
No, it's okay.
No.
Yes, ayan. So, additional for the camera.
We get this discounted for you.
And then $925. So, ayun guys. So, Pauwi na. Ayan, so nakabili din. Worth of, actually 1,000 something siya. So, kasi may mga bundle of software pa. And of course, may camera. Pero, nakaless ito pa, no? So, 900. 909. So, may, kasi nag-ano kami nag-build up for something reward. So, may discount na 2%. So, ayan po siya. So, Office Depot. Which is good. Good yung quality niya. I recommend it to you all. So, nasa ano lang siya, kung bibili ka lang ng computer, nasa 800 plus siya, nasa 800 po computer lang mga walang mga bundle of something. So, pero higher na siya about the storage and about the memory, actually. That's i7, yun yung pinaka-higher. And that's Windows 11. Ayun guys, so kunin namin yung computer.
Let me actually do one thing for you. I don't want to install it. Thank you. I'm just trying to get it real quick too.
So, ayun, taon na kami. So, ayan guys. So, I hope nagustuhan yung aking video today. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. And see you on my next video. Bye!